Mastering English Phrases. Unpacking Replace Parts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, replace parts. Understanding this phrase can be crucial in everyday conversations and technical contexts. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how to use it effectively. Replace parts is a phrase that's often used in various contexts. To replace means to substitute something with another thing, usually because the original is lost, broken, or outdated. The word parts refers to components or pieces of a larger object. So, when we say replace parts, we are talking about substituting old or damaged pieces of an object with new ones. This phrase is commonly used in mechanical, technological, and everyday life contexts. To better understand replace parts, let's look at some examples. 1. In mechanics, we need to replace parts of the engine to get the car running smoothly again. 2. In technology, after dropping my phone, I had to replace parts of the screen. 3. In everyday use, I replace parts of my bicycle regularly to maintain its condition. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different scenarios, emphasizing the replacement of components. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. For replace parts, you might also hear swap out components, change pieces, substitute elements. These phrases carry a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. When learning replace parts, be careful not to confuse it with repair parts. This implies fixing the existing parts, not substituting them. Remove parts. This means taking parts away without necessarily replacing them. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, replace parts. Remember, it's all about substituting old or broken components with new ones. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.